Hamish and Olive are playing chasey. They're sort of taking it in turns in chasing each other. He almost caught you. And Harry, you're waiting for me to throw the ball, aren't you? Olive's like, play with me, play with me. What a leap, Olive. There's no slowing her down. Olive, Hamish. Hamish.